voltage supply line 1, line 2, saka line 2 and line 3. 227 volts ang nakuha outcome. So, unang ikabit line 1, kulay black na wire sa may breaker. Medyo makapal lang yung wire, kaya mahirap hilurin, matigas. At kailangang mahigpit yung screw pag naisuot na sa breaker ang wire. Black wire, white.
Can swap.
It's okay. Yes, okay. No problem, ha?
No problem.
Yes, okay. So, pwedeng magka-swapping yung wire ng kabit. Yung pula, line 2, yung puti, line 3. So, pwede silang magkabaliktad. Wala lamang problema. Ang mahalaga, maayos yung pagkakabit. Mahigpit yung pagkalagay ng screw sa may breaker. Kailangang ipit na ipit yung wire. Matigas lang ipasok yung wire dahil makapal. Ayan, pasok na. By the way, pag nagkabit kayo ng wire, kailangan naka-off yung breaker sa main switch. Yung sa main breaker, kailangan naka-off para sigurado tayo. Sa ngayon, kinakabit naman ang kulay pula na wire. Black, white, red. At itong green na wire na nilagyan ng balot, yan ang EP, permanent earth or ground. Yan, walang linya yung kulay green. So, pwede nang i-on ang breaker. Yan. At papunta na doon sa lithium battery charger. Yan. Switch on yung switch niya, power switch. At automatic na yan mag-charge. Yan. At mayroong guide sa mga indicator light.
Opo sir, meron. Opo, meron.
So touchscreen yung display. Nandiyan makikita yung settings. At naka-built-in yung manual. Diyan mo makikita dyan sa may display. Mayroong selections.
Saan nakalagay yung manual?
Info. Sa info.
How many percent?
How many hours are you going to be charging?
2 hours.
20%.
So makikita yung charging rate kung ilan ang percentage ng battery.
To take full charge, it takes 1 to 2 hours.
2 hours.
Because this is a fast charge.
1 hanggang 2 hours ang full charge ng battery. Fast charger ito.
So you don't overcharge sa battery?
Like the charging trails, pocket charging trails, charge others for cars.
Are we going to start charging?
Yes. At isaksak na ang charging port doon sa may electric vehicle. Diyan, sa gilid ng panel. So, kusang maglalak lang yung charging port kapag napasok na. Towing tractor po ang unit na ito. At ito naman yung second installation para sa electric vehicle na forklift. So, black, red, white installation ng wire. At dito na isaksak sa charging port ng forklift ang charging wire mula doon sa lithium battery charger. Pag nag-click, okay na yun. Nakalak na yung charging port. Then, switch to power on ang lithium battery charger.
When you want to use the forklift, you can stop it. Stop
Okay. Oh, yes,
here and here.
Stop here and here.
No,
Kahit saan.
anyone. Stop here or here.
Okay.
Is it starting?
Yes. Auto charge naman siya.
So how many percent? How many percent is the charging?
78.
78.
So hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat.